1 pesos na lang po. Buy one, take one, free shipping po. Last 5 minutes, guys. Everyone, click the yellow basket now. Okay, come on. Double time, everybody say check out now. Let's go.
Check out na! Check out na! Check out na!
And of course, meron tayong freebies pa. Meron tayong argan oil. We also have here the hair mask. We have unlimited sachets of shampoo and conditioner from Bremod. Guys, what are you waiting for? Click the yellow basket now and send.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Timer starts now. Come on, double time, everyone. We only have last 5 minutes. Come on, double time ha. Habang naka-big sale tayo sa ating napakagandang Bremod shampoo and conditioner po. And of course, available to guys sa ating yellow basket po. Huwag na kayo bumili sa labas, sa mga mall, sa mga supermarkets guys, sa mga stores. Don't buy there guys. Only here sa ating TikTok live. Sobrang ganda ng deal natin. Buy one, take one po siya. At
Yes!
sobrang affordable po.
Wow,
For only...
10 orders sold!
Wow! Come on, double time everyone. Click the yellow basket now and check out now. Let's go.
Check out na! Check out na! Check out na!